Hi, my name is Jeanette. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist with Lifespan Community Health Institute. Welcome to our food prep demonstration. This has been made possible by a collaboration between Lifespan Community Health Institute and the Rhode Island WIC program. In my recipe today, I will be highlighting some foods from the WIC Approved Foods package. They're healthy, nutritious, and very easy to make. Today we're making stuffed peppers. This is a vegetarian option that you can enjoy with your family. So first you take red peppers that have been slightly roasted in the oven with a little bit of salt and olive oil. I have brown rice that I've cooked, and I have chickpeas. And I've made a mixture of chickpeas and corn with some seasonings to add and make it have been made into a salad. So first we take our cooked brown rice, which is a good source of fiber, as well as being high in B vitamins. If your family is not crazy about brown rice, you can use white rice, but you won't get the same fiber content. So we fill our peppers with the brown rice, and we take our chickpea mixture with the corn, which has been turned into a salad, and we're going to top our peppers with the mixture. So know that red peppers are also a very good source of vitamin C and more fiber. You can use green peppers, yellow peppers, any peppers that your family enjoys. So you can easily change it up. And it can be a very colorful dish too. So we're putting our bean salad on the top of our rice, and then we're going to add a little squeeze of lime for a little added flavor. And there you have it, stuffed red peppers with brown rice and bean salad. Now I realize that not everyone in your household will like the same ingredients, so don't be afraid to change it up or make substitutions. If you're not quite sure how to do that, just check in with your nutritionist. I hope you take advantage. Enjoy.